What's up guys, Michael here with Mileshko Productions. Today I will give you 3 simple tips to make sure you look good on your next video conference call. So let's jump right in. Number 1, choose the right location. First off, make sure you are close to your router. There's nothing worse than a bad connection. If you can, try and choose a spot that has some depth in the background. You want an interesting background, but not distracting. Also, make sure your camera is right about eye level and definitely not looking up your nose. Number 2, lighting. Make sure you have a strong light in front of you. Window's a great option, but you could also get a small LED light or use a household lamp. Just make sure there's a lot of light in front of you and not behind you. Number 3, put yourself on mute. If you are not talking, then do the world a favor and mute yourself. If you have to talk, then make sure you're in a quiet room that doesn't have too much echo. The more furniture or carpet in the room, the less echo you will have. So that's it. Go impress people on your next video conference call. If this was helpful information, or maybe you want that coworker to see it so that they will mute their mic on the next team call, then please share this video. Have a great day and thanks for watching.